It's the first day of management class. I hold out this €2 coin and say, if you can get up here, you can claim it and it's yours. Usually nobody moves, at least not for a few seconds. And I ask, why didn't anyone come up and try to take it? We need to ask 3 questions. If the employee performs, will they actually be rewarded? Can they make it to the front of the room? Will they be given something that they value in terms of a reward? If the answer is no to any of these 3 questions, you're going to have trouble getting people to do their job. Management modules deal with employees and understanding pay, performance, all the things that make work human. I think students are nervous that they won't be able to do it right. Trust is a big thing, that they'll look silly maybe for trying something new in front of others. And these are all very real concerns in the workplace. The other part of business education is what can you do to fix it? Once you diagnose your motivation problem, there's ways you can intervene to address it.